Did you know that the average UK hotel costs £120? So I am going to prove, and I've reached out to Temu, that we can do it better for less. Let's see how it goes. I'm not holding out for this one. So here's my pitch. We are in the middle of nowhere. We're about half an hour south of Telford in Shropshire. And basically, we're gonna do some camping, boys. So here's all my stuff. So we've got a tent, we've got a bed to keep me off the floor, some mattressy stuff, and then rammed in this suitcase is everything else. I want a bunch of cooking utensils and things. No idea how it's gonna go. Let's see. Right, so I guess we better start with a tent. This tent cost me 15 quid, so I have no idea what it's gonna be like. Don't worry, we're in good hands. It is a lightweight camping tent. Rest assured, we're gonna have a great night's sleep. That was that was surprisingly easy. Right, what we got here? If it decides it wants to work. That's not bad. That is not bad at all. Right, I want to have a lock on this somehow. Bugger. Guess I'm raw dogging it. Oh, for God's sake. Right, guess I goes back in the car. Thankfully, the bed bit's detachable. This is horrible! Oh, look how thin it is. You can barely even tell. You can barely even tell it's there. Just seems another way to hang. Yay, there's a dog barking. That's going to be fun to sleep with. There are pods literally behind the camera. Very tempting to sleep in that. There's a few things I'm going to buy which are better. I think I'll keep the tent, providing it's waterproof. Obviously that's a big caveat. Bigger barbecue, so you can use it as a fire pit. There's something about being out in the outdoors on your own. It's really nice. Me being quite sociable and having ADHD and stuff, I often find myself having to do stuff with people. This is just nice. I mean, there's people around, there's other pictures, but coming from a town where there's just traffic, i.e. Guildford, it's just really nice to get away. Now for the best thing. Food. Right, food time. Cider. I can't get that thing open. Tortillas, hot dogs, ketchup. Missed. Brilliant. Oh, this is terrible. Everything's sliding towards me. Oh. Good job I had a decent lunch. Is that cooked? How do you know? You. No, I've not got cider over. Oh, this isn't going well.
Now I'm panicking.
Yeah, don't panic.
No, I am.
This isn't going well. I feel I need more heat. I'm useless at this. Doesn't that look delicious? It's burnt. Very burnt. I can't get this one out. That is so burnt. Look at that. Oh. There's a pub down the road. I wonder if Uber Eats delivers here. That was a bit of a disaster. Next on the list, mac and cheese. I've got a little set to cook on the stove with. Oh, not that one. Got a little spoon. Yeah, so this set was about £6. Got a spork. Got a bunch of, oh, so what I'm going to do. Great. All over me. This'll do. So, what I've learnt is cooking is hard without a kitchen. Also, fire doesn't last very long. I just put another 5 bits of kindling in and some lighter fluid. You need enough space for those heat logs, because that heat log I've got in there has lasted me probably about 4 hours now. Now the question is, do I just do a second attempt to try and get this bed into there? I don't think I can be bothered. Generally, I need to have a night's sleep, but it's fine. Don't know why people are slagging it off, if I'm honest. So yeah, everything in total, Temu gave me a budget of £100. Everything in total, apart from a sleeping bag which didn't turn up. So I just wanted to jump in and say that Temu screwed me over. At point of editing this video, they had pulled out of the agreement that they were going to support the channel and support this video and give me £100 for this whole challenge. And yeah, 2 days before editing, after I bought everything, most of the stuff apart from the sleeping bag turned up, they pulled out the agreement. So yeah, everything about this Temu shit, you Temu, you screwed me over. Well done. Hope you're proud. So what you see in this video was £65 or £64 or something. Sleeping bag was 15, so that takes us up to 80. Now, as long as I don't freeze to death, everything seems pretty good. And I will be having friends on these videos coming forward, so hopefully it'll be a little bit more interactive, a little bit better than this. It's quite hard to entertain you guys on my own. Pretty nice being out here, and I'd thoroughly recommend it. Thoroughly? That's not the right word. I would recommend it. It's definitely worth doing. This, I've somehow managed to burn macaroni and cheese, but this is looking okay. Oh, I've got some more things you guys need to have a look at. I'll show you after I've eaten. You guys can probably barely see me now, so I will leave it there for the night. I'm going to go for a drink with a guy called Rob over the hill next to me. Just wanted to show you a little thing, which I thought would be quite fun, but it doesn't seem to be working. Aha! Look at that. £1 off Temu. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. I'm going to go have a couple of drinks. Laters. As Temu screwed me over and pulled out of the agreement, I reached out to some of my other affiliates who have been supporting the stream and the channel over the last couple of years, and someone who's actually stepped up, and we've not done any work together before, but hopefully we'll do in the future, is trip.com. They've offered me, for this video, an enhanced commission rate. So if you want to support the channel and cover all of your travel needs, whether that's car hire, hotels, flights, entertainment tickets, activities, everything you need to enjoy your next trip, head to trip.com. Thanks again for supporting the channel. Oh, I cheated. Oh, I feel so rough. I ended up sleeping in the car. I woke up at about 12:30 and my right side where I was sleeping on was dead. There was water coming through the tent and condensation everywhere and everything was soaking wet. Oh god. Safe to say, don't buy a £15 tent from Temu, and don't buy a 2-seater convertible if you're going to sleep in it, because I'm so sore. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Let's have a look at the aftermath of the tent. Oh God. Whoops. I think something got in. Oh, I left it open. Holy sh... Anyway, Jesus. Like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy the rest of my UK adventures. I'm driving home to go to get some sleep. Bye.